What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, Uconnect just sent out a new update for our Uconnect system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all exactly what happened when I got into my vehicle and everything that popped up on the Uconnect screen when I got in my car. Let's get right to it. Let's go. So this is what popped up when I tried to get out of my car. The Uconnect update. Now it's telling me that I can't use my backup camera or call 911 while this update is being done. It's saying the vehicle must be in park with ignition off, and it's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna do this update, and I'm gonna get back with y'all, let y'all know what happened, see if there's anything different. So this is what's going on now. So it's saying wait 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be complete. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the store and give me something to drink, and I'm gonna come back. Hopefully it's finished when by the time I get back. Looks like it's moving pretty fast to say 5 to 10 minutes, but it probably don't take that long. So I just wanted to let y'all know, man, that there is a Uconnect update. I'm not sure what the difference is gonna be. Once it's done, I'm gonna definitely get back with y'all, man, let y'all and go back through the functions and see if there's anything different. And when you get in your car, man, just check and see if there's a Uconnect update available for y'all. So I'll get back with y'all, man, once it's complete. All right, guys, so it's finished updating, and basically I gotta acknowledge that the update was complete. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna hit what's new. So we're gonna go through this together and see what exactly is new. Okay, the software update to your Uconnect system has been installed. The new software includes some important updates. It does not update your navigation map database. I ain't surprised about that. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and see exactly what's new. So it's saying it's been installed. Let's see if we can go ahead and tell us what's new. So it say what's new, but as you can see, it don't give you any specifics on what exactly was updated. Bottom line is, I just want to let you guys know that there is an update to the Uconnect system. It's not really telling you exactly what's new, so you probably gonna have to go online. So what I'll do is, I'm gonna go online and get the information, and I'll put it in the description of this video, and you can read through and see exactly what exactly is new. And so make sure you guys update your Uconnect system. But also what I wanted to talk about is what my new mods are going to be. So the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is change out my rear valence. That's the #1 thing I'm going to do next to this car, and I think that's pretty much it for the outside of the car. Everything else is going to be performance wise. I'm thinking about going with the a supercharger. But like I said, I'm gonna keep my RT as well as at least a 2020 Hellcat, the wide body Hellcat. My pops is gonna take over my RT, and so we're gonna use this car as a project car. And so you will see a lot of this car on the channel, as well as the 2020 wide body. I'm not completely sold on the wide body Hellcat or the Scat Pack yet. Not sure. I gotta sit down and put the numbers together and see what exactly makes sense. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I got it like that, where I can say, oh, I'm just gonna get the Hellcat. The plan is to get the Hellcat, but if the Scat Pack works better in my budget, then I'll go with the Scat Pack, and we're gonna go from there. So that's a quick update on the RT. Make sure you guys go and update your Uconnect system. I'm not sure exactly what the update is exactly, but like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description of this video. I'm gonna go do some research and put everything in the description. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.